Could you please shortly introduce your company?
Kofatec is a small engineering office located in Switzerland. We are doing contract research and device or machinery development for a broad range of industries, mostly agricultural, food processing, and wastewater systems.
Who is your typical customer?
Typical customers are other companies. We don't sell to private customers. They come to us because they have some kind of a technical problem, and we try to find a solution that can be mechanical, electronics, software, process development, project management, that kind of stuff.
What makes your company different from other companies on the market?
Good question. We are quite a small company. We're only 6 people. But we have quite a global reach. So we do projects from Bangkok to Toronto to Florida to Australia. And I think this international kind of objective is really what distinguishes us from other companies, that we have this broad view of what's going on.
How does ASN Plus help you to gain an edge over the competition?
ASN Plus is very similar to our own company. Quite small, but very agile, very focused, a lot of highly competent people. And I think that combination makes it a very powerful team. And I think that's what keeps us very much ahead of everybody else, by sharing this responsibility for some of the key technologies that we implement in our projects. And I think that's what's the best about the partnership with ASN Plus.
What needs led you to start the cooperation with ASN Plus?
We were looking for an electronics partner that can do very agile, very ping pong-like developments without having to go through huge documents or huge contracts before we even start. And we found ASN Plus like this. They are pretty much part of the team in a big project. And that's this kind of work together. That's what really made the difference here.
How has the partnership changed throughout the years of cooperation?
We started with a very simple project where it was basically redesigning or refactoring an electronics design for one of our machines that we built. And we liked very much the product that ASN Plus was able to generate. And with the next bigger project, we immediately went to ASN Plus and started working with them. And in the meanwhile, I think it's not so much a client customer or a customer and provider supplier kind of relationship, but it's very much a partnership where we can really work on the same goals, and everybody is very transparent and say, hey, look, that's how it works. How can we get this problem solved?
How would you describe the people from ASN Plus?
These are the coolest guys we've ever met. We like working with them very much. It's really, as I mentioned before, there's a lot of technical competence there in terms of electronics, but as well as embedded software and project management. There's a whole package that ASN Plus provides. You feel taken care of as a customer. You know your project is being handled. They're not pushing it off. You write a question, you get an answer in a very reasonable amount of time. So I think this kind of collaboration is really what is the strength of ASN Plus.